Welcome to BlindBook, the complete waterfowl operations platform built for outfitters, clubs, and your hunting squad. At its core, BlindBook delivers an all-in-one historical data record and reporting system for tracking harvest, weather, blind, and operational performance. Built by waterfowlers for waterfowlers, powered by AI, field-tested, and offline ready. Your command center lets you easily set up club members, day hunters, and guides, assigning them to hunting locations and blinds. Track year-over-year performance and eliminate paperwork with comprehensive hunt logs that show detailed harvest data, weather conditions, and photos from each outing. Every hunt is digitally captured and searchable. Your analytics engine compiles data alongside weather patterns to give you insights on rest strategies, blind performance, water level, and food source correlations. Each evening, BlindBook generates a digest already formatted and ready to send, combining your local stats with relevant insights so you save time and keep everyone informed. Here's what happens in the field. Your guides and squad leaders get assignments and weather pushed straight to their phones. Guides can add guests via QR codes. Guests complete digital waivers instantly. At shooting light, guides get an alert. After the hunt, they're prompted to log the harvest, species, counts, and photos, done in about 30 seconds. Instant AI Species ID ensures accurate counts and prevents over limits. One-tap bird logging with photos syncs to your dashboard, online or offline. Your operations galleries archive every photo with weather and migration tags for marketing and memories. For conservation-minded operations, our Wing ID capability helps provide researchers with valuable intelligence for waterfowl science, doing your part while improving your harvest data accuracy. Whether you're a professional outfitter managing dozens of blinds, a club coordinating members and guests, or a hunting squad tracking your season's performance, BlindBook keeps you connected, replaces outdated systems, and arms you with analytics you've never had before. We're ready. Let's get you set up.